Good day everyone! So today we're going to share to you our learnings in purposive communication. So I am Merced C. Gamosa.
And I am Claire Jane Barago.
And I am Mark Lawrence Violamit.
And I am Liza May Sakay.
What is communication?
Communication is a process, systematic, symbolic, and it involves meaning.
The principles, theories, and the methods of effective communication, which are Last Will, William Macker, and the last is the Monroe's motivation sequence.
Model of communication are one-way and two-way communication. Any potential roadblocks. First, language use. The second one is jargon, and the third one is language of fluency. Fourth one is accessibility to technology. The last but not the least is development of relationship.
Hi guys!
Hello! At klase no na?
Ang Kovacs Ox. Uma. What are you two talking about? I can understand. Can you speak English so that we can understand each other? We're just using a gay language class. And we're talking about if we have classes today, so and we don't know if we have class. That's what we're talking about.
Okay, thank you. So next time, if I am here, can you speak English so that I can understand? I can understand gay language. So, thank you.
Ayaw yan, thank you.
Excuse me. Can you ask a question? Do you know this place?
This place, you go straight, then you'll find the church over there, and at the back of the church, it's that place.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
English library.
Sabi
Oh, wala sad ko kay Baudik, mas na ako kasabot sa kung gito ng BDM. Sige lang, basin hindi makakuan pa to siya.
Dumduma to siya din.